Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2015 GMC Acadia headlight, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Gather basic tools like a socket set, trim tool, and the correct H11 replacement bulb. Open the hood, remove plastic trim clips, and unclip the electrical connector from the bulb socket. Handle the new bulb with gloves. Reinstall carefully, reconnect the battery, and test the light. Start by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly near the fender. Remove plastic covers or inner fender liners that block access, using a trim tool or screwdriver to avoid damage. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back, then release the retaining clip that holds the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out slowly. Set the old bulb aside and inspect the housing for dirt or moisture before installing the new bulb. With the old bulb removed, compare the new H11 replacement to ensure it matches the socket and orientation. Put on gloves and insert the bulb socket into the headlight housing, aligning tabs and twisting clockwise until it locks. Reattach the retaining clip and reconnect the electrical connector firmly to ensure a good connection. Replace any plastic covers or trim, lower the hood, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and turn on the lights to verify proper function and beam alignment before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.